Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for office hours. As a reminder, I have office hours on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 until 2. So you can sign up for any time during that time frame. If you sign up for office hours within or less than 24 hours, make sure to send me an email also, just so I can for sure be sure that I saw that you have that appointment and I don't miss you. So let's say you're working on something and it's 10:30 in the morning and you're like, I'm not getting this. I want to meet with Miss Mitchell right now. Just sign up for office hour 10:45. Send me an email, Miss Mitchell, log into Zoom at 10:45 because I'm going to be there and I will be there. I will not just have my Zoom like open for that entire time frame. It's possible I'm meeting with somebody else. I've run to the bathroom. I've run around campus, whatever it might be. I just want to make sure that I'm at my computer at the right time and I don't miss you. So if it's less than 24 hours, just shoot me a follow-up email so I'm sure to be there. And kind of my reasoning for that is I'd rather give you a flexible time frame, 9 to 2, rather than a shorter time frame, like an hour, where it might not work for your schedule. And so the kind of trade-off of a more flexible hours on my end is that it just requires a follow-up email. Just a reminder what you can do during office hours. Anything. Come chat with me. Come talk about your assignments. If you're struggling with something, if you have questions about college in general, if you have questions about being a major, enrolling, whatever it might be, right? Like if you just like want to chit chat, you want to check in, you have stuff going on and you're not sure if you want to continue with the class, like whatever it might be, come hang out, come talk to me. This is time that I'm paid to meet with you. So if I'm not meeting with students, it's like free money, which is awesome. But make me earn my money, right? Like I'm getting paid to do this, so I should be working, right? So come make me earn my money. All right, so let me walk you through how to actually kind of schedule an appointment here. You will see this is kind of our homepage. Here's some announcements. When you're on the home page, this is kind of what you see: announcements, welcome, all that sort of stuff. So you'll look over to the side here and you can see the to-do list, and you can also see the course stream and the course calendar. So you'll click on the course calendar and it will pull up all of this sort of stuff. These are all your due dates. The next step would be to, perfect, this is selected, click find an appointment. Once you click find an appointment, submit, it will take you to all the office hours available. So you can see I have a ton of office hours because it's 15-minute appointments. So I am super available Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Oh, here's a holiday, so I'm not going to be on campus. But otherwise, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, anytime I'm available. So let's say you want to meet with me now. It's 10:30. You will click on the little add button. It's Zoom. It gives you the information about how to log into the appointment. You click reserve. All right, now it blocks that out. So that means no other students can register for the same time. All right, so we registered for 10:30 time slot. So what we'll do is, let me show you how to get back there. What we'll do is we will get back to the home page. Oops, let me get back to the home page. Let's just click back. So you'll go back to the home page. You can just click the back arrow to get back to the home page. And then what you'll do is you'll come back over here to Student Hours with Mitchell. You'll click on this button right here, open it in a new tab. And what it does is it takes you to Zoom. You launch that meeting and all of a sudden you're in my waiting room. And I'm gonna be with you soon, right? Like, so that is how you actually attend the office hours after you reserve them. All right, so I'll add some more detailed instructions, but basically log into our class, go to the calendar, search for an appointment, select your time, click reserve, go to the appointment, right? Click on Student Hours with Mitchell when it's your turn to go. Like I said, come talk to me. This is my job. This is what I'm doing. So I'm here pop in, you know, you don't have to have your camera on. It can just be like a quick, like, hey, what's up? I have a quick question. It doesn't have to be a whole thing. But I'm here and I'm just waiting around for you guys. So definitely come chat with me. All right. Let me know if you have questions. If you're struggling with signing up for office hours, just shoot me an email.